Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, this is me. This is my hair 4C. I really want to do something to it and change it. So the best way that I figured out to do that is by using the beautiful Texture Simply Straight manageability system. And this is me after I washed my hair and applied their part 2. It says not to oversaturate, so I just made sure that I saturated my hair and I saturated it well, part by part, piece by piece. That's the best way that I found to do it, because if you don't, then it won't work as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like after I blow dried it and let it sit for a day because I was tired. So this is my hair already scratched out for a day. And I'm just going ahead and I'm going to blow dry it to make it easier to flat iron, because I only want to do one pass with my flat iron. So you guys will see me going part by part. That's the best way. And just taking my flat iron all the way to the end to make sure that I don't have to worry about any kinks or knots and that it's pretty detangled. If you guys want to find out more about this blow dryer, you can find the link in the description below, because it's truly been a lifesaver for me. I know that I wouldn't be doing this if I had to use the brush and the blow dryer method. I was terrible at it. So I think that you guys should probably try both of them together, just because I don't know if it will work without it. So after I finish that part, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my hair. This is just a regular Remington that goes up to 410, but I believe hair burns at 400. I'm not sure, but I kept it under 400 for sure. So I just want to show you guys how it looks when I do the first piece, and how the movement and how the hair feels. I really like it. I feel like you can tell that your hair is coated with something. You can tell the product coated your hair even after you blow dry it. And I also used a oil. Most people wouldn't recommend it, but I've noticed when I use this product without an oil, my hair is not heavy enough and it pulls right back up. So the oil that I used is a tea tree oil. If I can find a link to it, I'll go ahead and put that for you guys as well. So this is pretty much me at the front. I decided to take the braids out. I thought about leaving them, but I decided to take them out and flat iron the hair in the front as well. And I pretty much I just wanted to show you guys how it looks to do the chase method in the front, and also how it feels. My daughter decided that she wanted to wake up, so I put her in the video for a second. But all I was doing was just comforting her while continuing to watch the sermon that I was watching in the background. But I'm going to go ahead and get back to the video. So this is me just finishing up the top of my hair. I wanted you guys to see it as I finish it, because that will help me when I watch review videos to motivate me to do so. How did it look prior to being finished? So this is how it looked prior to being finished. This is me just doing the last run through, and like I said, guys, I prefer to do more work with the blow drying so that I could only go through with the flat iron once, to avoid heat damage or any more damage that could happen to my hair, as I know that my ends need to be split very badly. But I don't have any hair scissors, so I will do that another time. So this is me pretty much done, and I'm just checking everything to see how it feels and how I like it. Hey guys, so this is me after I finished straightening my hair with the Naturally Straight Beautiful Textures Naturally Straight product. I don't get paid by them guys, but I am an Amazon affiliate. I can pretty much share anything with you guys and still get feedback and love from Amazon. But this is more of me actually talking to my sisters or to my mixed people who really want to look for something to straighten their hair, because I have a hard time managing my hair. And it's really known as a manageability system for us to be able to manage our hair, you guys. And like, this is pretty much where I'm at. I actually added an oil. You guys will see that oil in the video. I just felt like I needed my hair to be more weighed down, and that's what will help it from reverting back. I will actually show you guys footage from another time that I did this, and it pretty much came out well as well. So this is how it looks, and I'm loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up for tonight and throw some pins in there to make sure that it stays. But I'm pretty much satisfied, guys. I do need to clip my ends a lot. If I could, I would do bob length, but I think that I'm going to probably stop somewhere like a Walmart or a school and get it cut cheaply. I'm cheap? No, I'm frugal. So the box, I'll share you guys the link. Sometimes different sellers sell it at different prices. If you guys want to go ahead and check it out, the link will be in the description. I'll also link the brush that I used in this video. I would love to do a separate review on it, but this is a Revlon brush that I bought from Amazon, and I'm in love with it. But you guys, it worked out perfectly. I'm amazed and extremely satisfied. I just feel like, you know, my hair is thick, so it has the puffiness. It won't ever lay straight like I want it to. And at one point I kind of had it like styled in my face a little bit, but it's gonna have to get used to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to wrap it up in front of you guys while I'm still talking. You guys, I am very satisfied. Like, and I don't really know how to wrap my hair, guys, because I've been natural for years now, and it's hard to straighten my hair. I don't like the way it sounds. Like, this is breaking my hair. Yeah. So if you guys have natural hair like me, I will be posting the short video, or it should be at the beginning of this video actually, of me, how my hair was before, you guys. And that's because it got wet during my water birth. And if you guys want to check out that video as well, I can put that in the description. But this is my second time in the last, let's say, 2 months that I did this process. And it's basically to make my hair more manageable, so I don't decide to perm it, because sometimes I really do feel like perming it. I'm gonna put some oil here. But yeah, that's it. So, you guys, this is my review of it. I love it. It does last a while, like I told you guys. I'll probably post pictures of a picture of my hair from the the photo shoot that I did this for. I decided to straighten it and I added some curls to it with my curling one and I loved it. My newborn is right here, so I have to keep an eye on her while she's in the bassinet. You guys, once again, this is a long video of me just saying how much I love it and me wrapping my hair up, so I'm gonna let you guys go. But I do say try out the product. If you guys have any questions, you guys can go ahead and ask me. I think I'm just gonna throw my bonnet on it because I had a head wrap, but I have no idea where it is or where it went. Found another bobby pin. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it right here so that this doesn't come loose. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you guys like it, to share it if you know someone else with natural hair who would love to do this. Show your beautician so that she can use it for you. I actually had a beautician, my aunt, do it for me, but because she wasn't familiar with the product, it didn't last very long. I left and the same day it poofed up. You guys can also find that vlog on my channel as well. And that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, subscribe, hit me up. Love you guys. Peace. Bye.